Stocks were higher earlier this morning, but they are losing steam. As I speak to you right now, Dow has fallen below the flat line by 3 basis points. The S&P is down a little more than 0.2%. The Nasdaq down almost 0.5%, and the Russell down a little bit more than 0.25%. Nvidia earnings are today after the close, and this stock has market moving potential, so we'll keep an eye on that. China last night left rates unchanged, and UK CPI was higher than expected, with EU PPI being a little bit lower than expected. Yields are moving higher right now, but they're also losing a little bit of that steam. Earlier this morning, we had the 2-year up 4 basis points, the 5-year up 4 basis points, the 10-year up 4 basis points, and the 30-year up 4 basis points, all on the yield side of things. Now, we are starting to get a lot of chatter about the geopolitical tensions, and that could potentially sop up this sell-off in treasuries as we go throughout the day. Commodities are moving higher. The dollar is rebounding, possibly breaking higher again. Technically, it is strongest against the yen and the euro right now. Gold, copper, and crude oil were all higher early. Only silver is below the flat line of the hard commodities that we keep an eye on. Central bank speakers today, quite a few of them again. Bank of England Monetary Policy Committee member Dave Ramsden, ECB President Christine Lagarde, and ECB Vice Chair Luis de Guindo. Also from the U.S., Fed Governors Michelle Bowman and Lisa Cook, and Boston Fed President Susan Collins. Tomorrow we get Bank of England's Catherine Mann again, Frank Eldersid as well, ECB Chief Economist Philip Lane, and also from the U.S. Fed, Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee, and Fed Vice Chair for Supervision Michael Barr. Earnings after the close, 9 companies reporting earnings with over $1 billion in market cap, but of those 9, we get 3 of the most important tech companies around. I already mentioned the $3 trillion market cap Nvidia. Palo Alto Networks is also reporting, and so is Snowflake. Tomorrow before the open, another 11 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting, including Deere & Company, Baidu, PDD Holdings, BJ Wholesale, and Warner Music. Tonight, we get no real data to speak of. Tomorrow, U.S. jobless claims in the U.S., existing home sales, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, and then tomorrow evening, we get Japanese services PMI data, leading to some PMI data that's coming out on Friday.